Hello children, welcome to DPS Nadargal online class. Today's topic is Agriculture, Grade 8 Social. What comes to your mind when you see this picture, children? Yes, agriculture is the science and art of cultivation on the soil. Raising crops and rearing livestock, it is also called as farming. The word agriculture is derived from the Latin words ager or agr, which meaning soil, and the culture meaning cultivation. That means soil cultivation. Agriculture is a primary activity. It includes growing crops, fruits, vegetables, flowers, and rearing livestock. You know, children, 50% of the persons are engaged in the primary activity as agriculture. Till date, 2/3 of the Indian population is still depend on this sector. So now we are going to for farm system. Some inputs needed are seeds, fertilizers, machinery, labor. Along with these inputs, we will perform some operations. Those are ploughing, sowing, irrigation, weeding, and harvesting. By doing these inputs and operations, we will get the outputs, that is crops. From rearing animals, we will get the output like wool, dairy products, and the poultry products. Now we are going to learn types of farming. In these types of farming, we have subsistence farming and commercial farming. Let us discuss in detail subsistence farming. It is practiced to meet the needs of the farmers. This involves low-level technology and household labor and very small output. Subsistence farming is divided into intensive subsistence agriculture and primitive subsistence agriculture. Let us discuss intensive agriculture. The farmer cultivates a small plot in this type of agriculture where a simple tools used and more labor. This type of agriculture is mostly suitable in monsoon regions of Southeast Asia. We will get the products like rice, wheat, maize, pulses, and other seeds. Come to the next one, primitive subsistence agriculture. This is the old method of agriculture where again it is bifurcated on basis of shifting cultivation and nomadic herding. Shifting cultivation. In this picture, we can observe that the forest was cultivated and later it was burnt. Shifting cultivation. A plot of land is cleared by felling the trees and burning them. After the soil loses its fertility, the land is abandoned and the cultivator moves to a new plot. This shifting cultivation is also called it as slash and burn agriculture. Now come to the second one, nomadic herding. In this type of farming, herdsmen move from place to place for fodder and the water. Sheep, camel, yak are the most commonly reared animals. Okay children, let us recap what we learned in this module. Definition of agriculture, inputs and operations of farm system, definitions and division of subsistence farming, intensive subsistence farming, primitive subsistence farming, shifting cultivation, and nomadic herding. Go through the concept test now. That's all for today's class, children. Have a nice day. Thank you.